How to design NFT with Midjourney for the OpenSea. So if you are familiar with the OpenSea, it is a NFT platform where you can buy and sell your NFTs of your own. But nowadays the trend for the AI is going through the roof and everyone is selling AI arts as well. So what you need to do first is to simply search for Midjourney in any browser that you are using and simply click on this join the beta on the top right. This will take you to the Discord. If you haven't made an account, you just need to sign up, and you just need to sign up with your account and click on any one of these newbies channel. Now what you need to type is imagine prompt, just like that, and then you need to simply paste your particular prompt. Make sure to add the further details like hyper realistic, cartoon style, or anything that you want to go with, and enter the resolution like 4K. V4 means the best version and AR means the aspect ratio, and 2:3 is fine for me, so simply hit enter. But unfortunately Midjourney is a paid AI generator, but if you are serious about this business, you might need to consider this as it is the most realistic image generator on the platform. So hope this helps. This is how you can design a free AI NFT with Midjourney and OpenSea.